Let's look at how to start using your dBud earplugs, whether you chose them in charcoal or dusty pink. It's important to check you're positioning them correctly to ensure the best fit for your ears. You will have two earbuds in your dBud box, one left and one right earbud, labeled L and R. It might sound obvious, but you insert the right dBud into your right ear, noticing the direction the earbud is meant to sit in the ear canal. Follow up with inserting the left earbud in your left ear. Here is a visual to demonstrate what correct and incorrect positions look like, with the dB logo being an easy way to spot the orientation. Let's now look at how to find your correct size of ear tips. There are a variety of sizes to choose from, in a choice of silicone or memory foam material, all packaged up in a box of dBud earplugs. With 5 sizes of silicone tips and 3 sizes of foam tips, you'll be sure to find your perfect comfort match. To find the right size, try them all. If your dBud feels tight or uncomfortable in your ear, try a smaller size of ear tip. Conversely, if your dBud doesn't fit securely in your ear canal, choose a larger size. And how are you meant to change your ear tips? This pair of dBud already has silicone tips on. To remove them, flip the ear tip inside out and carefully take it off the channel. Choose your new tip and flip it inside out. Place the ear tip over the channel and press it on. Push the ear tip down to one of the 2 position notches for a slightly deeper or shallower ear canal fit. Flip the ear tip back the right way round and you're good to go. What does the dBud slider do? With the smooth magnetic slider on your pair of dBud, you can choose your level of noise reduction, between -12 decibels and -24 decibels. Being able to choose to wear dBud on either their open or closed settings means you are in control of your environment and how much sound to scrub off. To leash or not to leash? Straight from the box, your dBud earplugs come included with a detachable leash, so you can keep them close to hand and secure with a magnetic attachment that click your dBud together. If you prefer to unleash, removing it is simple. Simply flip and remove the ear tips. Then remove the leash silicone ring from the channel. Remember to reattach your ear tip. And repeat on the other end of the leash. With or without the leash, you can keep your dBud with you in their silicone pouch. Enjoy your dBud earplugs for clear, safe sound.